This is Sentinel, parametric insurance for stablecoin depegs, built on Somnia. When a coin breaks its peg, Sentinel pays out faster than the rumor cycle, and it proves on-chain why it paid. No committee, no governance vote, no trusted oracle. Detecting a price move is easy. The hard part is the why. An exploit, a bank run, a regulator, or a glitch each deserve a different payout. Sentinel determines the cause autonomously, and has independent validators agree on it before a single token moves. I am triggering the depeg now. Reactivity catches it on-chain. A JSON API agent confirms the move across an independent basket. Two web agents read the issuer's disclosure and its status feed. Then an inference agent classifies the cause, and all three validators agree, and the claim is paid. No human touched any of that. This is the part that matters. Every step is on-chain. Here are the three agents. Here is each validator's individual response. And here is a consensus that gated the payout. Three independent machines agreed on the price, the evidence, and the cause. And you can verify all of it. The receipts are read with a single contract call, no off-chain indexer. Consensus here is not uniform, and that is deliberate. The two stages that sign the payout, the price confirmed and the final verdict, require all three validators to agree byte for byte. The web scraping stages, which only gather evidence, take a 2 of 3 majority, because on testnet the scraper reliably musters a quorum that agrees, while the third validator is simply absent. The payout signs only on unanimity. The evidence needs an agreeing majority. On the other side, liquidity providers earn the premiums and back the payouts. A utilization cap stops the pool from ever overselling coverage, and withdrawals lock while an event is settling. Exploits pay 100% immediately. Softer causes vest, which Dieter's farming. The mechanism is a smart contract. And this is not just a button. A keeperless poller watches the real USDC, USDT DAI, and FRX pegs on-chain from real price data. A genuine depeg out in the world would auto-fire this entire pipeline, with no operator and no backend. The investigation is verifiable because independent validators agreed on it, and the proof is on-chain, and that is the one thing that can only be built here. Repo and verified contracts are in the description. Thanks for watching.